my stylish friends. Shelly Malashi, your style coach. I'm going to be making outfits all week. I've been shopping and I've bought some really fabulous pieces, and I'm going to show you something every day, how to pull it together. Start with a great black blouse, maybe something you would have worn to work. She's silky, she's got some gold in the buttons. My favorite part is her cuff. Isn't that beautiful? This is probably already in your closet. If not, I found this piece at TJ Maxx for $12.99. So let's start here. A basic black silky blouse. I'm gonna add what everybody needs in their closet. You probably have one. A moto jacket. This one, black. But they come in colors, so feel free to wear any color moto jacket you find. The best part of a moto jacket is where it hits on the waist. I'm pulling my girl back here. She hits right at, I want your jacket to hit right here. This is the smallest part of your body in many, many places. You come in, and if you don't come in like that, a jacket that cuts you here will create a look that this is your waist. We want that. If it starts going way too long, you start looking like you're wearing something too big. You look bigger than you are. So let's bring her back. Come on, girl. Okay, my moto jacket with a little black silky blouse. These things work really, really well together. Let's add some jewelry. What if we put a long necklace on? Got this in your closet? I bet you do. I bet if you went through your jewelry, you'd find something like that. Add some length to this look. Let it come all the way down so you can see her all the way down. Very nice. Neckline is open, necklace is long. Creates a very good look. If you don't have something like this, how about what I've been telling you to wear for a minute now? Fabulous little scarf under the collar. Bring your collar down, tie your scarf. Don't get worried about how to tie a scarf, just give it a little tie. Pop that collar back up. Oh, you're so fabulous. I like it. What are you wearing on the bottom? Anything you want. Black trousers. Go perfect. Black trousers. Jeans. White jeans, dark jeans, any colored jeans you have. That would bring this outfit together beautifully. Grab a bag. Something colorful for the season. Do I have that on you, girl? Ah, I need a taller mannequin. Or, what about a bag like this? This is my favorite. Isn't that adorable? It's furry. Okay, you want one more way to go with a silky black blouse that's already in your closet? Your trusty jean jacket that I've been talking about. Wear your jean jacket. That works so beautifully, so perfectly. And take the sleeve and definitely pop it out. This is what I mean. Take this through here. I'm finding it. There we go. Pop the sleeve out. It's a gorgeous cuff anyway. Show it. There you go. That's a cool look. Okay, we've got at least two things that we've made with one black blouse by adding a scarf or adding jewelry, adding a denim jacket or adding a little moto jacket. Wear anything you want on the bottom. Any color, any jean, any pant. This is how you walk out the door. You can get dressed every day. Okay, we'll do it again tomorrow.